Last year, I thought my garden was safe. For the last 7 years, I've had the standard 2x3 welded wire vinyl coated fence that's available at all the big box stores. And I figured that's been good enough. But it turns out that fence might as well have been a welcome mat. Last year, I had a problem with rabbits for the first time. And what I realized is that the 2x3 grid is too big for the rabbits. And as long as they can stick their little heads through the opening, their bodies will follow. So this year, I've decided to upgrade to something that will actually work. Let me show you what I did and why you need to do the same thing. 7 years ago, I had a single garden bed and just used cheap polypropylene fencing. Then, a year later, I decided to expand the garden, and because I spent so much on the wood at the time, I just wanted to go with a cheap fencing and ended up picking up the 2x3 welded wire vinyl coated fence from Home Depot. And at the time, I didn't think anything of it because rabbits weren't a problem. It was the deer. So to get started, first we're going to tear out all the old fence. These are how big, this is how big the hole is. But in the new stuff, that's 1/4 inch. Nothing's gonna get through that. Rabbit, all of you, you're not getting through this year. So the plan's gonna be start here. And we're just going to go one piece that goes all the way around. And go all the way down here. And the roll's 50 feet. So we should end up, somewhere, maybe somewhere in here that we'll try to end it, or at least, whatever makes sense to get to a post. Overall, this project took me about an hour to remove the old fence, including cleaning up the weeds along the bottom, and an hour to install the new fence. While the 1/4 inch hardware cloth fencing costs more than 2x3 grid fence, I'm not replanting my vegetables, I'm not patching holes, and I'm not stressing every morning, and that's a win in my book. If you're a new gardener or you've had rabbit problems, don't wait until they wipe out your crops and make the upgrade now. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more garden solutions. I'll link the materials used in the description. And if you've got your own pest stories, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.